In October of 2024, we all checked out Lake Tahoe in Reno, Nevada for the first time. Here's a quick recap of our trip. We stayed in the Reno area and drove all the way around the lake and back, which ordinarily takes about 3.5 hours without stopping. It was really great to visit during the shoulder season, as traffic and overall activity was relatively minimal, but the weather was still pretty nice. Could get a little chilly along the water, especially when the wind kicked up, but certainly manageable with a good jacket and some gloves occasionally. We stumbled upon a great little diner on the north side of the lake. Highly recommend if you're in the area. Virginia City, Nevada is just east of the lake. It's a fun little place to check out with its Wild West kind of theme. We also checked out the Nevada State Capitol while we were in the area. It was a very lovely building with a lot of state history on display.